Good morning, grade 5s.
Morning, teacher.
Morning, teacher.
Yes, morning. It's a maths lesson, and our topic is very interesting. It's not common. It's called approximation. Approximation or approximation in life situations. A double P. Can you write it down? A double P R O X I M A T I O N. A double P R O X I M A T I O N. Approximation or approximation in life situations. Okay, and I will try to explain that. What does it mean when we are applying it to maths? Okay, approximation is not exact, it is not the exact, but it tries to give an estimate. It tries to give an estimate. It's not the exact. That's when we say approximately. Let's say someone is waiting for you and they ask you how many minutes do you think you can be here? And you can say approximately 30 minutes. It's not maybe, it's not that in exactly 30 minutes you would be there. You might get there before, or you can get there a few minutes after those 30 minutes. So you are estimating, you are not sure, and it's not the exact thing. Sometimes you can guess correctly, you can estimate, because estimation is a guess, and you can guess correctly at times. Are we together?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so you now know what we are talking about. So when we are saying in life situations, we are looking
Yes.
at things that we experience each and every day. Like I've given you an example of when you are telling someone that I would be there in approximately 30 minutes, or the bus is going to be in Harare maybe in approximately 6 hours. It's not the exact thing that in exactly 6 hours the bus would be there, but you are just making a guess that the bus can be there around that time that we are talking about. So these are life situations. We travel with buses, we travel with cars, and we can also work with time when we meeting, or when you are even writing an exercise, the teacher may also guess that in approximately 30 minutes you should have finished this, or this lesson should be over in approximately 30 minutes. Okay. And I've got an example here. Can you please listen attentively? Tawana, what is happening there? Yeah, she's smiling. Am I frozen? Okay. Okay, can you listen attentively to this example? Okay. The distance between Harare and Gweru is actually 276 kilometers. Can you write it down? The distance between Harare and Gweru is actually 276 kilometers. the distance between Harare and Gweru is actually 276 kilometers. Ayanda, can you hear me? Okay, if you taken that down, that it is actually 276 kilometers.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what is the distance from Harare to Gweru approximately? Write this question down. What is the distance? What is the distance from Harare to Gweru approximately? What is the distance from Harare to Gweru approximately? Yes, you can copy, you can write the spelling for approximately clearly. Ayanda is saying, teacher, I cannot hear you. The problem, I think, is from your side, Ayanda. Okay, if you finish writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and now I want the solution. Answer that question. You can guess. I have said the distance between Harare and Gweru is actually 276 kilometers. What is the distance from Harare to Gweru? Approximately. Approximately. Use the actual one. So approximately, it is, you can round off to the nearest kilometer, 100 kilometers there. So it is approximately what? Round off to the nearest 100 kilometers. Okay, let's wait for others to finish, Vanessa. Okay, are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
So can you
Yes.
give me the full sentence? How do you answer that in a full sentence? How do you answer that question? The approximate distance that you can give me there. Yes. Bethel.
And from Harare to Gweru is 300 kilometers.
No, you have left the word approximately, Miss Bethel, because if you say is, it means that's the actual. Okay,
From
Bethel.
Harare to Gweru is 300 kilometers.
Okay, we didn't hear the last part.
Yes, ma'am. That is from Harare to Gweru approximately is 300 kilometers.
Yes, you don't put is. Yes, you say the distance from Harare to Gweru is approximately 300 kilometers. Don't put is 300 kilometers. Okay, you get that, guys?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
how many have got textbooks with them there? How many have got textbooks with them there? Yes, yes, 2 there, 3 there. Yes, for Vanessa, but Vanessa said it is called. Okay, I'm saying those that you can read as you are there.
Which page?
Okay,
Yes,
page
ma'am.
17. Let's open on page 17. Page 17. Are we there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, thank you, Miss Leander. Then I can see Nicholas, I can see there. Yes, Dominic, I can see it. Okay, Angela, can I see you have yours or it is in the phone?
It is on the phone.
Yes, so let's look almost everybody there. Can you help me out? Look at the table on page 17 at the top.
Extra work or practice exercise 5.
What are you saying, Tawana?
Extra work or practice exercise 5.
No, practice exercise. Okay, that practice exercise 5 there. Can someone read the instructions? Can someone read the instructions, Leandro?
Start with this table and answer the questions below.
Yes, there is our table there. And the table is a distance chart. Distance chart. So we can see Bait Bridge there. And there's Blawayo, Kadoma Gweru, Harare, and Mutare there. The distance chart, we have Bait Bridge, Blawayo, Kadoma Gweru, Harare, and Mutare. And who can tell me the distance that is there from Bait Bridge to Blawayo? Bait Bridge to Blawayo there.
From yes, ma'am.
It's how many kilometers? Yes, Tawana? Do you know where you get your answer from? Where they meet. It's where they meet. That's where you get. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, Tawana. Tawana.
322 kilometers.
Yes, is there? Is that
322 kilometers.
okay, thank you. Yes. And what about Mutare and Blawayo? Mutare and Blawayo. Mutare and Blawayo. Yes, Matwana. Dominic is frozen and his hand was up. Mutare to Blawayo there or Blawayo to Mutare. Where are they meeting? Dominic once he is raising up his hand, and when he's about to tell us the answer, he's frozen. Okay. You are breaking, Dominic. We can't hear you. Can you write it down? Okay, Tawana.
568 kilometers.
Yes, it's 568. Can you get it? There is Mutare there. Mutare is there. And then Blawayo is there. So what you do is you move like this. Where they meet Blawayo and Mutare there. Those are there. That is the distance. That is the distance. Okay. How about, I am encouraging you guys to have some textbooks so that it won't be a problem. Okay, let's have Bait Bridge and Mutare. Bait Bridge and Mutare. The distance between Bait Bridge and Mutare there, Luyanda.
586 kilometers.
Yes, 586. Thank you, Miss Luyanda. Yes, it's 586 between Bait Bridge and Mutare. And then let's have Harare and Blawayo. Harare and Blawayo. Where they meet, guys.
Yes, teacher.
Go to Harare there and then move until you are below Blawayo there. Vanessa, can you see that?
Yes, teacher.
Vanessa, can you trace
Yes,
that?
ma'am.
Where is Harare? There. There is Harare. And then you move until you get to Blawayo there. That's the distance. Yes, Tadio.
Yes, teacher.
Give me the answer. Tadio, give me the answer.
140.
Is it 540? Is it 540?
Is 440.
Oh, there is Harare, yes. 440. Thank you. Yes. And last one that I'm asking you now. Kadoma Blawayo. Kadoma Blawayo. Kadoma and Blawayo is Tawana.
157.
Okay, 154. Now that you now know the distance between those towns or cities. Thank you, Dominic. Okay, now I want you to give the approximate distance now. The approximate distance. And I said, when you are giving the approximate distance, you are rounding off to the nearest 100 kilometers. Are we together?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so let's have this one. Add 472 kilometers to 586 kilometers. And your answer will be approximately dash kilometers to the nearest 100. Okay, first of all, add 472 kilometers plus 586 kilometers. What do you get? Okay, are you adding 472 kilometers plus 586 kilometers, and then you round off to the nearest 100? What do you get?
Yeah.
Some are very fast. Can you be quick, guys? Okay, Tandekile, now have the answer. Okay, first of all, let me have the total first. Let me have the total first, and then we can round that off to the nearest 100 kilometers there. Okay, Andile, what is your answer?
My answer is 2000.
Is that correct? Let me have your total first. Let me have the total first. The total after adding 472 plus 586. What did you get? Vanessa?
I got 1058.
Yes, 1058. Now to the nearest 100 kilometers, Auntie. What is it? To the nearest 100 kilometers. Not to the nearest 1,000 kilometers. Yes, Tumelo.
1,100 kilometers.
Yes, very good. 1,100 kilometers to the nearest 100 there. Okay. We can do more and more and more, but unfortunately, we are running short of time. And I'm going to send this time around, as soon as I leave this chair, I'm going to send your work for maths and Pareme on Google Classroom, and then you can now do your work. Thank you very much for the lesson, and thank you for participating. Looking forward to see you again tomorrow at 8:30. Let's make a date and have a good day. Yes, Bethel?
Are we having a Ndebele lesson?
Mm,
Are we having a Ndebele lesson?
Okay, I'll talk to Miss Vanda. She'll get back to you. I think you have. I think you have at 12:30. Can you hear me?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yes, ma'am.